put the key in the Vaseline, a secret of locksmiths that few know. I guarantee you that if you continue to watch until the end, you will want to do it at home. But this is not all, since I will also show you the reason why you should add salt to the dishwasher sponge. And if the chargers on your cell phone often tend to get damaged, I will teach you a method to protect them and lengthen their duration, using only an old pen that you no longer use. So let's start right away to know what it takes to put the key in the Vaseline. For this, we will take a small jar with conventional Vaseline, and then we enter the key and shake it a little until it is soaked with the Vaseline. Over time, the locks on the doors and locks tend to get hard, which makes it difficult for you to put the key in and open. And in the worst case, if you force the lock, the key can be broken, leaving you out of the house. But thanks to the Vaseline, when making this tip, the locks will open gently, and you will not have to bother calling the locksmith. And now, in the second tip, I will show you why you should add salt to the dishwasher sponge. First, we fill a container with water and put it to heat. Then, in a plastic container, we put the sponge inside. Now we take a tablespoon of salt and pour it on top. Once we have the water boiling, we pour it over the sponge. When using the sponge for only 5 days, thousands and thousands of bacteria are stored in it that, although imperceptible to our eyes, pass to the dishes when we scrub with it. Salt along with hot water is ideal to restore the sponge and eliminate all those bacteria that can affect health. The ideal thing is that you always put these sponges in the sun. You should also change them every 14 days, and if possible, do this method at least once every 2 days. Now I will show you how you can extend the useful life of charger cables using only a pen. First, we uncover the pen in this way and locate the spring that these usually have inside. We take out this spring and then we place it on the cable near this part. Take advantage and tell me from which country you see me to send you a greeting in a next video. Today's greeting is for Sonia Frias from Mexico. Thanks for watching each tip. Due to the fragility in its construction, most of these chargers tend to damage the part near the charging pin. So when placing the spring in this area, it will be responsible for keeping it fixed so that it does not crack and damage. If you have come this far, let me know which of these tricks was your favorite. And remember to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this.